Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel at Samoski Tutorial Class. Please like and subscribe. Now we are teaching on how to turn on your video gifts on TikTok. Remember, to turn your video gift simply means that people will be sending you gifts after watching your video or while watching your videos. So before you do that, before you turn on your video gifts, you have to reach like 10,000 followers. You must have at least one post in the last 3 days. So then another thing, your account must be personal mode. You must turn on your personal account mode. Remember, if you are using business account on TikTok, it will not work. So let's start. Already my account is in business mode, so let me turn it to personal mode. So let's start. Firstly, if you open your TikTok, you click on these three dots, you click on setting and privacy, then you click on your account. Done. You click on switch to personal account. Already it's on business account. So after clicking on it, you turn it to personal account. What's the next thing? You go back. Then you go back to these three dots again. Click on these three dots. My account has gone back to personal mode, so let's go back now. Then you click on creators tool. Remember, it's very simple and understandable. All my videos is very simple. Then you see video gifts, so it's very simple. You turn it on. That's it. Then see the requirements. You must have at least 10,000 followers and other things. Remember, read everything well. You turn it on. What is the next thing? Go back to your videos and it will be active, so people can now share or gift you through watching your videos or after watching your videos. If you have like 1,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers, if you go live, this is another way to make money on TikTok. But this one, somebody can gift you after or through watching your video. It's very simple. So please, I would like you to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos. We have other things that we teach that will help you in the channel. Please subscribe. Then to turn it off is the same way we turn it on is the same way you can turn it off. Remember, it's very simple. You go back there, Creator Studio, you see video gifts, you turn it off. So please subscribe.